Customization is the name of the game. We're looking at Oscar's 1951 GMC pickup, but basically the back of every truck from 1947 to 55 first series is going to look basically the same back here. Now, having your license plate here and the lights right here, that's pretty common. You'll see that on almost every single truck, and modifying that is the way to go. Without having to cut and weld and come up with your own stuff, we've taken all that time and trouble for you and come up with these little brackets right here. And you can do these a couple of different ways. I can go ahead and I can install it down here on the bottom in front of the pillar or in back of the pillar. I can go up or down. So I got a lot of different customization options with this without having to do any cutting or welding. So I'm going to go ahead and take all this off and put on these guys, show you a couple of helpful handy hints to make sure your project goes quick and simple. So our brackets, we got a couple different ways of going. I can go down and up in front or in back. Let me just slide this on here real quick and give you a quick view of what this looks like and compare it to the other side. And compare it to the other side there. So you can see very little time trouble. You can modify your truck without having to do any cutting or welding. So I'll get everything hooked up, double check it, finish off the other side, and we'll see how sleek we look when we come back. Old and bulky off, nice new and sleek on. The devil is in the details, and we've got your details for you. Make sure you check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and on YouTube. You make sure you subscribe. I'm doing these every single week for you to make sure your truck is looking good. If you don't subscribe, I might take that personal.